Hello everyone and welcome back to Gizmo Joe. Last week I did an unboxing for one of the most affordable 4G handsets available, the AllCall Atom. I've been testing it for about a week now, so let's dig in. I purchased the AllCall Atom for about $80 US from gearbest.com. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. As a budget device, the specs are about what you'd expect. Underneath the hood, the Atom is powered by the MediaTek MT6737 chipset at 1.3 GHz, 2 GB of RAM, and 16 GB of storage. The screen is 5.2 inches with a 720 by 1280 resolution. On the back is a dual camera setup with an 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel lens, while the front facing camera is 2 megapixels. The battery capacity is 2100 milliamp hours and the battery is removable. The device also supports micro SD cards up to 32 gigabytes. And finally, the Atom runs stock Android 7.0. As for the Geekbench scores, the single-core CPU test was 535 and the multi-core test was 1524. The render script score was 934 and the battery score was 1334. With that out of the way, let's talk about how the AllCall Atom holds up during everyday use. The build quality is solid and is a good size for one-handed operation. The screen is bright and vibrant and has decent viewing angles. Using the Atom outside wasn't an issue and the color reproduction was quite good. The speaker, while only mono, is quite loud and doesn't suffer from any distortion at higher volumes. The OS, as mentioned before, is stock Android with zero bloatware installed. The Atom also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, the design of the phone isn't all that interesting. The metal back of the phone is a nice touch, but it creates sharp edges around the body that makes the phone feel cheap. Despite the home button looking like a fingerprint reader, it is not. The back and overview buttons are to the left and right of the home button. However, there are no markings or lights to indicate that they are there, which is an odd design choice. The Atom has a removable back cover which gives access to the battery as well as the SIM and micro SD card slots. However, the back is difficult to remove and there is no mention of it being removable in the manual. While the front-facing camera is serviceable, the rear camera is lackluster. The dual lens setup does not deliver a true bokeh effect. Instead, the camera blurs the edges of what is in frame indiscriminately without focusing on the subject and providing that depth of field. It's unfortunate, but at $80, I wasn't expecting much. In conclusion, the AllCall Atom is a cheap 4G smartphone that delivers on the basics. It runs stock Android with no bloatware, which is a huge plus, but the camera performance is pretty poor. If you're looking for a no-frills device that has a bright screen and you don't take many photos, the AllCall Atom is worth a look. That's going to do it for this episode of Gizmo Joe. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll catch you next time. This is Gizmo Joe signing off.